This tiny kitten clung desperately to a lady's pant leg, as if pleading for a home. On the first day of her trip, she found him shivering by the roadside in the cold. Afraid of seeing him again, she purposely took a different route when leaving the scenic area. But after walking far, she suddenly heard faint meowing. Looking down, she saw the kitten nestled by her feet. Neither she nor her boyfriend had ever owned a pet. He was severely allergic, and she wasn't fond of cats. They left the kitten under a sheltered roof, where he stayed, as if he understood. But guilt weighed on them. The boyfriend bought allergy medicine, and they turned back to check one last time. This time, she coaxed the kitten into a cardboard box. They bought goat milk powder and visited 2 pet hospitals. Luckily, the kitten was healthy but underweight. That day, they skipped sightseeing to care for him, learning to prepare milk, give medicine, and feed him. By the end of their trip, the kitten had a home with a once allergic man and a lady who used to fear cats.